Hey friends, if you wish to fix no sound on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. First of all, click on the sound icon here and make sure that the sound is at an appropriate volume. Then click on this option here, scroll down in the volume mixer and check that the sound should be at an appropriate volume for the application in question. Once this has been sorted out, you can right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab, select sound, and then you can check the output volume, okay, here as well. Then go to the system tab again, scroll down and select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters, click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.